The Renegade Industrial Full Platform Scaffold and Extension Kits give you a robust and trade-duty scaffold unit that you can trust will stand up to any task without breaking the bank. The Renegade Industrial Full Platform Scaffold and Extension Kits have a maximum working height of 3.8 meters and a maximum safe working load of 225 kilos. Featuring an easy one-person tool-free setup and adjustment system, these versatile scaffold towers suit both trade and domestic users with its slimline V-frame folding design, and provides effortless maneuverability on job sites. You won't have to scale the outer side of the frame to access the scaffold too, with a hatch allowing easy access. These scaffold base units include 4 5-inch caster wheels with foot brakes and horizontal brace locking pins for optimum safety, and the extension also comes with fixed end guardrails. With trade-duty aluminium construction, these scaffolds will be reliable even after years of use. You can grab the scaffold as a kit with the base unit and extension kit together, or if that doesn't suit your needs, you can get them separately too. The scaffold has been manufactured to meet Australian standards and will fit through Australian standard doorways. If you have any questions about our Renegade scaffold range, let me know down in the comments, or grab one for yourself at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.